Ever feel like no matter how hard you work at your 9 to 5, you're just running in place? Long days, full weeks, yet somehow you're in the same position, with the same stress and the same pay. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Working harder at your job might be the very reason you're stuck in it. Not because you're lazy, but because your effort is going into all the wrong places. The real problem isn't your motivation. It's how you're allocating your effort. Most people think they have a motivation problem. They don't. They have an allocation problem. Your energy is finite, and where you spend it matters more than how much of it you have. The average employee spends nearly all their time maintaining the present and almost none building their future. To understand why this keeps people stuck, you need to understand the 3 effort zones. First, there's Zone 1, survival work. This is the work that keeps your paycheck alive. If you stop doing it, the consequences are immediate. We're talking about deadlines, urgent requests, client fires, and critical bugs. It's that ASAP message from your boss at 4:47 p.m. This work is absolutely necessary. Ignoring it gets you fired. But here's the trap. Survival work feels incredibly productive, yet it only solves today's problems. You can spend years excelling at survival and still be in the exact same role 5 years later. Next is Zone 2, maintenance work. This is the stuff that keeps things from breaking. It's not urgent till you ignore it. Think about your emails, meetings, reports, documentation, admin tasks, and status updates. This work preserves stability, but it rarely creates progress. Maintenance work quietly consumes your time. Tired days can disappear into just catching up. You feel busy, you feel responsible, but at the end of the day, nothing fundamentally changes. Finally, we have Zone 3, leverage work. This is different. It doesn't scream for your attention. No one asks you to do it, and no deadline forces it. But it's the only work that can truly change your trajectory. Leverage work creates assets, skills, systems, or visibility that continue paying off long after the initial work is done. It's a one-too-many effort. Examples of leverage work include learning a skill that unlocks higher-paying roles, slowly building a side project, automating a repetitive task, publishing insights from your work, or intentionally building a professional network. This kind of work compounds over time. Survival and maintenance work do not. So, why do most people never reach the leverage zone? Because survival and maintenance feel safer. They come with clear expectations, immediate feedback, and short-term relief. Leverage work, on the other hand, feels uncomfortable. Its payoff is delayed, and no one rewards you for it right away. So people postpone it, week after week, year after year. Until one day, they wake up exhausted and realize they've been running hard, but going nowhere. Here's the core insight. The part most people miss. You are not underpaid. You are misallocated. Your effort is optimized for keeping things running, not for creating leverage. The solution isn't to just quit your job. The solution is to rebalance your effort. Let's do a quick 15-minute effort allocation audit. Do this once. It will change everything. Write down everything you did last week. Next to each task, label it S for survival, M for maintenance, or L for leverage. Now, calculate the percentage of your time spent in each zone. If your leverage work is less than 10%, you are stuck by design. The goal is not to work more hours. The goal is to shift just 2 to 3 hours per week from maintenance to leverage without touching your survival work. So, how do you rebalance your effort without risk? Here's how people actually do this safely. First, schedule your leverage work first. Block out 30 minutes on your calendar. Same time, same days. Treat it like a non-negotiable meeting, because it is. Second, use your peak energy. Your best, most focused hour of the day should not be spent answering emails. Give your sharpest focus to leverage work and push maintenance tasks to your low-energy times. Third, turn your existing work into leverage. Don't just finish tasks, document the outcomes. When you solve a problem, write a short internal guide about it. Share your insights. Make your work visible to others. That's creating leverage without adding extra hours to your day. So what are some high-leverage tasks you can do in just 30 minutes? You could spend time building a skill for a better role. Write one insight per week and share it publicly. Automate one small repetitive task. Make progress on a side project or reach out to one high-quality contact in your network. These are small actions, but when repeated consistently, they make a massive difference over time. Here's a simple one-week execution plan. On day 1, do your effort audit and choose one single leverage focus. From day 2 to day 6, spend 30 minutes on that leverage task at the same time every day. On day 7, review your week. What broke your focus block? Fix that problem, not your motivation. That's it. No burnout, no gambling with your income. Let's do a final reframe. Stop asking, how do I work harder? And start asking, where is my effort actually going? Most people never escape the 9-to-5 because they never change how they allocate their effort. You just learned how. If this video gave you clarity instead of just hype, subscribe. This channel exists to do the deep thinking for you, so you don't have to drown in surface-level advice. Work smarter. Build leverage. Protect your downside. Thanks for watching.